feels like a good time, sort of gave us a little bit of a framework, access, affordability, quality, gives us sort of three buckets to talk a little bit about. But this is a great group, I think, to surface some of this, what has sort of been transforming in the space over the last couple of years in terms of access. So when we meet with legislators, we're having a conversation to talk about childcare, we give everybody a map, and it has on it all the little locations where childcare is. And every time I give the map to a legislator, right, the first thing they notice is that all of the dots sort of follow along sort of the major transportation areas. You're in cities and you're along the arterials, right? And this is true of almost every policy area. You look at school enrollments, health outcomes, job growth. The transportation grid is sort of the lifeblood of the state, right? And yet a lot of people live in the spaces in between. So this is this ruralness factor. And yet we live in a space where about 40% of childcare is family care today, but that is a shrinking segment compared to center-based care. What we see is a trend towards centers, larger centers, economies of scale. We have more licensed capacity today than before the pandemic, but at fewer locations. We have fewer providers serving a bigger footprint of kids.
The conversation here really kind of emphasized kind of the frustration people have. And, I'm just hopeful that the Republicans in the legislature understand that this is, if they don't come together and think about early childhood, our economy is going to struggle. Most of these people in this room are going to have a hard time, frankly, making sure that they have enough money to continue on. This is a time when the child care industry is going to either make it or break it. And if they break it, people will be leaving the workforce and the roads, and it's going to hurt our economy.